Hello all. A blender is the main machine in your kitchen that can create a refreshment from lumps of ice and organic product in under 60 seconds. Mm, What's more, no other blender we have tried beginning around 2012 can dependably create luxurious soups, spoon-thick smoothies, and stable emulsifications like the Vitamix 5200. Indeed, it's expensive. However, we believe its strong engine, nuanced controls, and dependability make it worth the speculation. In our taste from 2012 to now, Vitamix blender have consistently played out the best generally. The exemplary Vitamix 5200 is the only one uh, we have uh, we have attempted that can make velvety peanut butter and puree generous soup without having liquid fluid up the sides of the container. It has no preset buttons. However, it offers the most expensive scoop of paces, far more extensive than on the equivalently valued Blendtec Creator 675. 675 of any blender we have any blender we have tried. It is the number one in many, while while perhaps not most proficient proficient kitchens and juice bars. We have likewise observed the Vitamix 5200 to be perhaps the most dependable and solid blenders we have tried, and assuming that the engine wears out inside the 7-year guarantee period, Vitamix will expeditiously supplant the machine. The Oster Versa uh, Versa Star Series blender is awesome of another variety of more spending plan amicable powerful blenders. Contrasted and likewise estimated blenders, this 1400 watt model offers more speed varieties and runs all the more discreetly. Additionally, one of a handful of the models accompanies an altar for blasting air pockets in thick combination at 17.5 inches tall. It will fit better on a counter under a cupboard than most other superior execution blenders. We don't think this is the very best blender out there, and it doesn't measure up to Vitamix blenders in power and lifespan. We owe out our oyster following over 2 years. Yet it has significant mixing abilities, an easy to use plan, and a strong 7-year guarantee. If you would rather not toss down close to a portion of a fantastic on a strong blender, the oyster is your smartest option. In the event that you are not prepared to jump on the Vitamix and you would not fret about exchanging the oyster's more drawn out guarantee for somewhat more power, go for the 1800 one clean blend blender. The clean blends solid engine pummels berry seeds and ice, making creamier, smoother, and pina coladas than even the Vitamix can create. This model's container is made of thick, sturdy Triton plastic and has an agreeable, grippy handle. Dissimilar to the Oyster blender, the Clean Blend has no preset fastens and doesn't often offer a lot of change between the low and high paces. In our testing, the Clean Blend's engine has held up better compared to the Oysters and is an as yet a serious area of strength for going 4 years of standard use. However, Clean Blend covers this blender with just a 5-year guarantee rather than the 7 years of inclusions from both vitamin and Vitamix and Oster. What's more, since a clean blend has been around just starting around 2013, we are still somewhat dubious of the organization's fortitude and the dependability of its client assistants. Not every person needs to burn through $200, let alone more than 400 on a blender In the event that you need a blender for preparing a periodic sauce or smoothie, the KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Squashing Blender is the most ideal model that anyone could hope to find for around 100 bucks. With a 48-ounce container and a position of safety. The K150 is the littlest blender we suggest in this aid. It creates it created coarser surfaces than any of our different picks, and its engines uh, is not close to as strong, so it is bound to wear out whenever overburdened. Another trade-off you make it at the cost is in the guarantee, as dissimilar to our different picks. The KitchenAid is covered for just a single year, in spite of the fact that there is some crossover in what they can do. Blenders and food processors are not tradable apparatuses. A laser blender is a superior instrument for making purees, speedy sauces, and emulsifications like mayonnaise and vinaigrette, and no one but the machine can stir berries and sinewy veggies into a plus surface. Since a blender's container is light and generally calculated at the base, it makes a vortex that so helps go fixing through the cutting edges more much of the time than a food processor, yielding smoother surfaces. With a touch of exertion, you can likewise puree with fixings like tomatoes for sauce in a food processor, yet the donut molded compartment doesn't deal with fluids as well as a blender container does. It will, in the general break, a food processor turns out great for thick purees like hummus and is perfect for sauces with a coarser surface like pesto. Yet it cannot make a decent smoothie, and since you have no control over the speed of the cutting edges, is responsible to short hot soup all over the place. All things considered, a food processor is best for hacking, cutting, and grinding with the right connection. It might blend and massage the mixture. Many individuals use food processors for mincing vegetables, yet this machine is likewise your closest companion for effectively grinding cheddar, cutting potatoes, or for a grating, crushing new bread scraps, or rapidly slicing margarine into flour to make a pie mixture. To put it plainly, blenders condense and food processors hack and cut contingent upon your requirements. You could pick one uh, over the other, or you could need both. We have a manual for the best food processor as well on the off chance that you are integrate a ledge blender conveys the silkiest smoothies, daiquiris, soups, and sauces of any style of blender you can purchase. It is more flexible than an individual blender, which is implied predominantly for smoothies, since it holds more and can deal with hot fluids. It is likewise more impressive than a drenching blender, which is perfect for puring soups straightforwardly in the pot or making a fast mayo, yet does not yield the smooth surfaces you get from a decent Liz blender. Although considered uh, blenders exhibition and life span are typically uh, typically relative to its expense. Very good quality blenders are all the more impressive and intended to puree the thickest combinations without wearing them out, something that cheap blenders cannot do. Assuming you need a kitchen workhorse, a machine that can handle everything from hot sauce uh, to from hot soups and sauces to thick frozen mixtures. A regular powerful blender is the most ideal decision. The amount you ought to spend on one relies upon the precisely exact thing you will in involve it for. The following is a breakdown of how every one of our picks will help you get our spending plan pick the KitchenAid. If you utilize your blender just for an intermittent smoothie, frozen drink, or soup, you don't mix nut, margarine, or other engine burdening blends. A short, restricted 1 year guarantee is not a worry. Get our next in line, the Ostar, or our additionally extraordinary pick, the clean blend. If you mix something like a couple of times each week, you seldom make nut spreads. A 5 or 7 year 5 or 7 year guarantee means a lot to you. Get our top pick, the Vitamix. If mixing is important for your day-to-day way of life, you habitually mix thick engine burdening combinations like nut, margarine, and spoonable smoothies. You need a blender with the greatest scoop of rates, effectively doing all that from mixing hot fluids to crushing ice blocks. A 7 year guarantee means a quite bit to you. On the other hand, if you simply if you simply need to make an everyday smoothie, you may be in an ideal situation with a NutriBullet. We have tried them all. Uh, you can also find online many blenders with lots of reviews and ratings and varieties. Mm, Just if you search in uh, any browser, you will see lot of blender. Before buying, uh, just go down any website and find out customers' comments first, and you will know by reading customers consumers comments. You will surely realize which one is better for you and which is not suitable for you. And also inside a qualityful website, you will also find products weight, like here, weight, dimension, jar material capacities, and every aspects you need to know about the products. So, and the, like website or like website, you also find some wonderful that store, online store. uh, there you will get some offers and some discount price uh, always. So find for the just make some little effort, some with a little effort we will find you will find a suitable uh, online store or blog site or review site where you will know the necessary things you need to know about buying any product, or commercial sites like AliExpress and some Amazon. You will can see the customer's rating and price and the shipping charge. Uh, every things you need to know their uh, contact details, their social sites, their social link, everything, their emails, the store emails or companies or brand email also you will find here. So this website is responsive. See the it is fully blank. Where is the content, man? That is not the way. See, from the half of website it is fully blank. There is no picture, nothing, no content, nothing. So what people will see by coming to your website, man? Just fix it up, hurry. And here is, let's see, here is you will find the positive, negative, every aspects of your products. So read all these comments and to know their views. Here the users, here you will find who purchased the products earlier, so they will from them you will find the honest thing, honest reviews. Just read carefully and search bit effort with such little effort. You will see it's this picture, nice picture, this like it, okay, ninja blade, also ninja blade you have. See here is the, see here is the bar menu. Here you will, where is search button, where in every website you will get one search button where you will if you type your desired product or uh, desired things you are searching for, just type in search button, you will find it easily. So uh, here see the smoothie not much smoother, and smoothie is not that much smoother, I believe. This jar is nice. What is its name? Oster Versa Pro Series. Oster Versa. Yeah, it's a glass, nice Versa. Nice glass. And this one is so mind blowing. Vitamix. This one is vitamins with this you can, the diet. Nowadays people are uh, going through diet menus. So it is necessary for to have a good quality blenders in home, because you will need smoothies, soap, and purees in daily basis. You will need all these things. So before picking any blender, just the machine heavy duty, choose try to choose heavy duty machines. It will serve you uh, much better, I believe. So that's for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.